Good morning all. Still bright and early. We're in a different part of the woods. This is Big Lad coming. He's been brilliant this morning. He's not gone very far. Just like tell you, Jim, they've been good. I'm just on my way back now. Oscar! Come on, laddie, here to me. Here. Oh, it's good. Oh, you're a good boy. Hey, you're so good. And I love you. Come here. Oscar, sit down. What a good dog you are. I love you. Ready? Come on, back to the truck. That's it. Come on. Listen to them birds, everybody. Can you hear them? God, I love nature. You? Nature. Can you hear them? I have to keep you away from ducks now. That's what I'm trying to do. Then they can nest. Yep. Come on, Sadie, the digging dog. Oh, God. How green it is. Fab. Few months and it goes from barren to green and lush. Listen to me, I sound like bloody, what's it called? I forget what it's called. Attenborough. Oh, yes. On my way back now. Have a lovely day, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.